So what do you do when you're not fit to hunt, Henry?
You get fit to shoot
And you
really, really well. Because you got to make that one opportunity count.
So where are we heading?
We are headed to the Total Archery Challenge in Utah at Snowbird Resort. We did this last year, and it was so much fun that even though this is prime time for scouting, we're still going to go. We got to go. Got to do it.
And over my wife's birthday. Sorry, babe.
Yeah. Sorry, Janelle.
Drop the bow on you yet? No. Oh, there you go. And your arrows? I said you gotta take your arrows.
Best executed shot.
Shot, Tim.
I'm going Buffalo.
I'm getting 145. 72.
That's probably
Right at the bottom of that shadow, and the next one is about a foot below the shadow.
Yeah, I'd say right over his flank, right in the shadow.
Yeah.
Nice shot.
I was holding just under and it broke, so I can live with that.
Hey, Craig, which target are you shooting? Buffalo. Buffalo.
72.
72-yard buffalo.
It looks long. Still, it looks like not even moving.
And Craig is a master tactician with these arrows.
Just anywhere where there's about 2 million. Yeah, so what you got? Your
Very good shot, Craig.
You turn around. Yeah, I don't think you're not qualified.
I don't know.
How far is he? Move up here. We're going to shoot. How far is he?
That right there, folks, is what they call working without a frickin' net. That first step is a doozy. Oh, very cool. No problem.
Yeah, is that alright?
Awesome. Oh, heck yeah. What are you guys' names?
I'm Hunter. I'm Zach.
Colby.
From
Very nice.
From New Mexico.
Oh, right on.
Yeah. Been
Target number 1. Yeah, please don't step on my bow. It's not hidden or anything. It's just fully camouflaged.
On dirt.
Yeah, on dirt with, I do have some nice shiny components, which that'll be taken care of long before the season. Tim, that beautiful shirt.
Hey,
Ooh, who's Blue Fledge?
I will take an 8 on a 45-yard turkey that you can only see about a quarter of it. Craig's either going for better footing or he's trying to scrape out his bed for the day.
Nice shot.
It did work. He started coming to the yard. The dog bark.
Alright, Craig is getting ready to shoot this poor boar that obviously got hit by a snowcat. It's trying to pull itself off the mountain. Craig's going to put it out of its misery at a mere 60 yards.
Hard shot. Is it?
Oh, just low.
Craig? Craig.
You're a
off the
12.
rock in front.
You are a frickin' 12. Come look at this. You are a 12, you
Bank shot.
son of a bank shot.
Dude, you couldn't
Motherless
have shot
goat.
that any better.
Look at that.
A bank shot. What's wrong with that? Let's knock out
Oh,
before.
you didn't call glass. That's what's wrong with
Got
that.
the Air Force shoe.
This is an awesome, awesome shot. This is a 91-yard shot. Across a canyon, creek going down below you, mule deer, side hill. 92 yards, I stand corrected. Somebody flat out drilled that thing over there. The rest of the group, not so much. Middle of July, lots of snow up here still.
Hopping in the wind.
I just standing there.
Great shot. This honey badger just doesn't care. A nice little doe hanging out right under that rock face. But we want to see this.
That balance.
Touche, total archery challenge. Touche. 72 yards with a giant boulder in front of it. All right, we're through the first 18 targets. Craig ditched us after target.
Greg.
10? 8?
8, 10,
Yeah, something like that.
Life.
He couldn't hang.
I know.
Just couldn't hang.
No.
Or he was going boating.
Yeah.
Which, to be really brutally honest right now, I'm offended we didn't get an invite to go boating because it's hot as crap up here. Fortunately, we got hailed on. I mean, what the hail was that all about? I don't know. But rained. Then, you know, anyway, Tim, what do you have to add?
Just trying to make it down the mountain without missing my wife.
It's her birthday.
It's her birthday. Happy birthday.
Such a
Ian.
great husband that he left his wife on her birthday to come to Utah.
Love you, babe.
So we just shot the 92-yard bear from little uphill, little side hill, and I'll give you the truth test here in just a second. There we go. 91 yards, and that is all that separates me from a 12. I will take it. Going down here, getting ready to shoot the famous, or maybe infamous, cliff shot here at the Total Archery Challenge at Snowbird. And it's steep just getting down to shoot it. Wait till you see what the trail's like after you shoot it. All right, so here is the post-shot walk down to the target, and it's kind of crazy, to be real honest. I'm gonna have to put this away here in just a minute because they've got a rope for you to hold on to there, and in my experience, that's not just because they think it's cute. It's fairly necessary.
Okay, this is the bottom side of the cliff chute, and we are real mountain men because we do this with a rope.
Good thing I had that Cliff Bar before we started.
And I just almost fell.
Right, so it's pretty much hailing like crazy. And in spite of what you might hear out there, if you're my wife listening to this, Stacy, that is not lightning. You know if that's lightning, I would have run right off the course because, well, that's just the responsible thing to do. Actually, we're hiding out in the trees, trying to stay a little bit dry. We found this really cool creek back here.